Well, a very volatile session with Euro FX, back-to-back losses, trading in the red 4 out of the last 5 days and actually piercing through that 3.5-week low that we first touched on Tuesday. I must say it didn't start that way. Euro FX did start in the red, however, moderately so. Some of it due to US dollar short covering that was witnessed across most majors, also on mixed European data, including a Eurozone retail sales number that was the biggest miss in 9 months on a month-on-month basis. That was offset a little bit about Eurozone unemployment rate, which beat expectations ever so slightly. Also chatter from ECB with regards to higher yields being a positive thing, pointing to an improvement in the growth outlook. So all that to say, we go into the U.S. session moderately lower, and numbers in the U.S. were fairly mixed, to be honest, with regards to the dollar. Jobless claims and continuous claims both beat expectations ever so slightly, not enough to really change the narrative per se. But all that to say, people were waiting for Powell, and that's when things really did change in the afternoon. Bottom line is, some of the things that Jerome Powell said, he's not going to sit back and let financial conditions tighten. He stressed patience over the inflation narrative. He said we were a long way from the goal that of inflation. And the market seemed to interpret that he's failing to push back on the higher yields and act on something. And so we saw the dollar rally, most majors down, including Euro, into the late session here. With option vol, looking at CME Group C-vol, term structure shifted ever so slightly lower. However, it did actually move a bit higher between June and December. So short-term down, longer-term up. Skew is flat to perhaps a little bit lower. Sometimes some people think that's signaling a strong BLS number tomorrow. At the money, implied vols up very marginally today.